Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you what is ad set ID in Facebook ad campaign. As you can see, I am into my ads manager and I am creating a new ad campaign, and when we click on this triple dot right at the ad campaign level, then you can see here is a ID, right? This is ad campaign ID. They look very much similar, right? As you can see, 1202407141438000531, right? This is our ad campaign ID. And when we click on the ad set level triple dot, here is the ad set ID. Actually it looks quite similar. It's 1202411487559900531, right? This is our ad set ID. And this ad campaign comprises of 3 ad sets, and all these 3 ad sets will have different ad set IDs. Whereas if we talk about the ad copy or ad creative, then these ad creatives also have their own ad creative IDs, right? So what is the requirement of this ad set ID? Whenever you integrate different softwares with your Facebook ad campaign, then there might be requirement of this ad set ID, as well as whenever you download leads, right? If you're running a lead ad campaign, then you might probably have seen that whenever you download leads in an Excel, then there the particular ad set ID and the ad campaign ID and the ad creative IDs are mentioned, so that you can come to know this lead came from which ad set. As well as whenever you do the performance analysis of ad campaign, then from ad set ID you get an idea which ad set have performed very much well. So ad set ID is basically a identity of the ad set in a ad campaign. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website and explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.